Hey everyone, in today's how-to lesson, we are taking a look at the calendar feature on ClassIn. We will learn how to check the calendar to see all our classes in a month, as well as how to see classes on a specific day. Okay, let's get going. First off, if we take a look on the left-hand side of the screen, we can see the classes we have scheduled today. As you can see, I have no classes today, so let's take a look at the calendar. When we hover over the dots on the calendar, they turn into numbers. Those numbers represent how many classes we have in one day. If we click on a specific number, let's say Monday the 20th, we will be able to see all our classes on that day. Using the calendar can be really helpful if we want to plan our week or if we work for multiple schools. It's great for invoicing too, as you can check the number of classes you have in a month with your pay sheet. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so we can start pumping out more videos. For all things ClassIn related, keep it locked to Eureka ESL.